Hey, welcome to another video series of CoinSutra, and I hope you enjoyed our first part of Trezor Model T unboxing. And in this video, I'm going to show you the quick comparison of Trezor Model first generation and Trezor Model T. So this is the first generation of Trezor hardware wallet, and this is the brand new Trezor Model T, which is available on pre-order, and only the first lot is out. Possibly in the second quarter of 2018 we will see more model going out, and possibly by the time you're watching this video you should be able to order it from the official website. You can definitely find the link in the description below. So with that, let me quickly show you the comparison of our two device. Alright, so in the first look you can actually see the major difference is the size. Trezor Model T is definitely bigger than the first generation Trezor, and one major difference there on the first generation Trezor, we have these physical buttons which is gone in the Trezor Model T. You can see the UI is the major difference between these two devices. The Trezor Model T comes with touch screen, and the sizes, as I told you, there's a significant difference. I think it's like almost 25 to 30% bigger. And here you can see another difference. So Trezor Model T comes with micro SD slot, which is something new, and they are doing it because in future they want to expand the possibility. They have already open sourced their firmware which is called Trezor Core. And in case if you want to contribute or if you want to see more about it, you can go to GitHub and you can find more about Trezor Core. Now, apart from that, this screen, this LCD screen is 240 by 240 pixels. It's touch screen. There's micro SD slot, which I've told you. One major difference is now the authentication happens on the device, so there is a improved security. And now Trezor Model T supports 12-word BIP 32, 39 and 44 protocol. And here's one major difference. So Trezor Model T supports USB-C type, which is something new, and which is, I think, is becoming a standard in the electronic industry. And it's pretty good for people who are already, using something like OnePlus 3T, Google Pixel. Just remove it. So yeah, you can see here the difference. I have to remove this part, but more on that later. So guys, that's all the difference. The physical difference are this. About the software difference, about the difference in interface, I believe is exactly the same, which I'll find out once I plug in this device to my computer, which I'll show you in the upcoming video. But overall, the device feels premium. Another thing that I've showed you in my unboxing video, that Trezor Model T comes with this dock that you can stick to any place, like beside your computer or anywhere that you like, and it's a magnetic dock, so you can see it's firmly holding the device. Now you may have this apprehension that the magnetic field might affect the device, so Trezor team have made it clear that this won't affect the device functionality in any ways. Now to sum it up, if you have an option to buy both of these, you should definitely go for Model T. It's superior, it's modern, it's second generation, and it's much better than the first generation. Now if you already have Trezor first generation model, you can continue using it. It's going to be there. It will still keep working. You will enjoy all the feature of Trezor Model T in the first generation as well. The only thing which you won't get is more far superior security and the LCD touchscreen. If I would have been at your place and if I would be holding like good number of crypto, I would definitely upgrade to Trezor Model T. It just feels good. I think it's about $100 and it's worth every penny. You can find more information about it in the description below. And if you have any question about these two devices, feel free to let me know in the comment section below. And this is what I talked about in the first unboxing video. You have to peel this off, which is going to take my next 5 minutes. So I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. This is Harsh from CoinSutra.